Farming enterprise Gadz is one of the most powerful fruit farms in Ukraine and Europe. Apples, pears, and plums of high quality and with the best taste characteristics are grown in the 600-hectare garden. The farm has been restructured into 3 parts: horticulture, planting complex, fruit processing complex, logistics center with modern sorting and packing lines. The garden of farming enterprise Gadz is located in a favorable microclimatic zone, which allows to obtain high yields of fruit trees, 20-80 tons per hectare, depending on the age of plantations. Last year, more than 20,000 tons of fruits were harvested here. Farming enterprise Gadz has been successfully certified by Global G.A.P for 6 years. This allows to conquer more and more foreign markets. Currently, the farm's fruits are successfully sold in more than 20 countries around the world. 40% of its products are exported to Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. In 2020, the construction of the 4th stage of the fruit storage with a regulated gas environment was completed. So now the farm can store 15 tons of apples at a time during the year. The modern sorting line calibrates an apple into 11 varieties by size, color, and weight, and the packing line allows to pack a fruit from 1 to 18 kilograms in various types of packing: plastic bags, trays, corrugated cardboard box, and bushel. Recently, the farm launched a conveyor drying line for the production of dried fruits, as well as apple chips of 3 flavors: original, sweet, and sour. The variety of tastes will be expanded in the future. The company has been planting for 7 years high-quality saplings of apple, pear, plum, apricot, peach, cherry are successfully exported to Holland, Belgium, France for laying industrial gardens. Saplings of farming enterprise Gadz, a guarantee of rich harvest. In 2021, a new garden with an area of 50 hectares was planted on the farm using Italian technology. All fruit trees will be covered with an anti-hail net. The total amount of investment, over $3 million. Approximately 1 million saplings are grown on the area of 50 hectares. The farm plans to increase this figure. Depending on the growing season, the company employs from 200 to 750 people, and these are additional workplaces for the local population. In 2021, farming enterprise Gadz purchased a modern fruit processing line from the Italian company Engineering A. Rossi for the production of puree, jams, and direct squeeze juice. Line productivity 6 tons per hour. The investment will amount to more than 4 million euros. Currently, installation works and preparations are underway for the launch of a fruit processing complex, which will become one of the most modern in Ukraine. Farming enterprise Gadz, making the world tastier.